On November 3rd, 2020, I received a random text message from my friend Alex regarding Logan Paul's viral video about Pokemon cards. As confused as I was informed to watch this viral video Logan Paul had created. I then instantly searched on Google and searched this viral video everyone seemed to talk about, especially in the resellers world. According to this article and video, Logan Paul spent $200,000 on a first edition booster starter pack that released years ago. I then watched his entire video and was shocked to see the resale value of some valuable rare cards from the first edition set and automatically caught my attention. Pokemon has been around for decades and has been increasing in numbers regarding card sales and more. From Pokemon games from the Game Boy Advance to the newest and improved console video games, it has driven the world to expand in numbers of involvement. From personal card collectors to now resellers, we see the hype for Pokemon community increasing. The object for most people is in search for unique holographic to ultra rare cards given in each booster pack. From Pikachu to Charmander to Squirtle and the infamous legendary Charizard, we see the rise in demand for upcoming years of Pokemon and their unique designs. This ultimate trading card game started in 1996 and the most popular and demanding Pokemon in this series is Charizard. From ultimate rares to first edition and base set editions, we see the increase of value of any Charizard card given from a specific time frame. As we have seen online, the value amount for each Charizard and other creatures in the Pokemon world have increased throughout time, making specific cards more valuable in the near future. I myself have gotten involved and purchased 18 Elite Starter Packs of the Charizard edition that was super limited this time of year. This specific Elite Trainers box comes with 10 Pokemon Champions Path Booster Packs, 1 full art promo card featuring the Charizard V, which is the Almighty promo card, 65 card sleeves, 45 Pokemon TCG Energy cards, a player's guide to the Champions Path expansion, a Pokemon TCG rulebook, and more. I ended up opening 6 Elite Trainer packs and still no shiny Charizard VMAX or Ultra Rare. As much as I was disappointed, I still managed to get some rare cards, including the regular Charizard V that I know will be worth lots of money one day. My overall plan is to store the rest of these Champion Pad Charizard Elite Trainer boxes and sell them 10 years from now since I know it will be worth big bucks. Here are my rare cards I managed to get within these 6 Elite Trainer boxes. I am not giving up, and this upcoming week we have the Vivid Voltage pack coming out November 13th. I really encourage people out there who want to make long-term investments to look into Pokemon cards and start buying. I already resell shoes and clothing as seen on this channel, and I want to help others have another source of income, which is now Pokemon cards. These cards will be a long hold for me, and I know they will be worth a lot of money in the future. I want to branch out and do different videos on my YouTube channel, not just focus on reselling shoes. I'm excited for this journey, and honestly, it brings back so many childhood memories, and I look forward to doing unboxing videos in the near future. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, and if you're new to the SellSneakerz family, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you all for the constant support, and let's hit 3,000 subscribers by December 31st. Thanks guys, I'm Izzy, and I'm out.